Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now we have to tap on advanced and find about phone, which should be at the very bottom of the list again, and here we have to again scroll to the very bottom to find the build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, I've got my pattern set, so if you've got the pattern also or the PIN password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So as you can see, after entering it, you've got the information that right now you're in the developer mode. So we can go back, and right above the about phone we've got the developer options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, as you can see. So for example, here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and actually to the networking. Here we've got, for example, the pointer location. We can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected to the animations and so on and so on. So if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top on this, let's say, green background, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back they should disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step in about phone section, keep tapping, and you will activate the developer options. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.